Good morning, children. Today we will continue chapter 17, Our Rich Culture. During last class, we have studied about languages, dresses, and dances. And today we will start music. Music is also of two types, folk and classical. There are two types of music, folk and classical. The Bihu Geet of Assam, Pandavani of Chhattisgarh, Bhav Geet of Karnataka, and the Baul Sangeet of West Bengal are some examples of folk music. These are some examples of folk music like Bihu Geet, Pandavani, Bhav Geet, and Baul Sangeet. There are two main styles of classical music. Here we have studied about folk music, and here we will study about classical music. There are two types, two styles, Hindustani and Carnatic. Hindustani music developed in the north and the Carnatic music in the south. The Hindustani music, it is mainly in north, and Carnatic music is in south. Anand Bhet, Pandit Ajoy Chakrabarti, Ustad Rashid Khan, and Shubha Mudgal are some famous Hindustani classical music singers. Anand Bhate, Pandit Ajay Chakrabarti, Ustad Rashid Khan, and Shubha Mudgal. They are some famous Hindustani classical singers of India. Ranjani and Gayatri, D. Karthik Anak, and Shankar Mahadev are some famous Carnatic classical singers of India. Here are given the names of Hindustani singers and Carnatic classical singers. Now, monuments. Forts, palaces, temples, pillars, stoops, and monasteries are the different types of monuments. Monuments means old buildings, heritage buildings. This stoop at Sanchi, built by Emperor Ashok. These are some famous monuments. The stoop of Sanchi, and it is built by Emperor Akbar. And the temples of Mahabalipuram are examples of early monuments. These are the examples of early monuments, the stoop of Sanchi and Mahabalipuram. The Mughal rulers built many monuments. Akbar built the Fatehpur Sikri. Fatehpur Sikri is built by Akbar, and the Agra fort. They both are built by Emperor Akbar. About Emperor Akbar you have studied during chapter number 15. Shah Jahan built the Taj Mahal in Agra, and Jama Masjid and Red Fort in Delhi. Means these all things, Taj Mahal in Agra, these all monuments, Jama Masjid and Red Fort, they were built by Emperor Shah Jahan. Now, the Portuguese built many monuments in Goa. The British built the Rashtrapati Bhavan and the Parliament House in Delhi, and the Victoria Memorial in Kolkata. Means the Rashtrapati Bhavan and Parliament House and Victoria Memorial. They all built by British, and there are so many monuments which are built by Portuguese in Goa. There are also many modern monuments. These include the Akshardham Temple in Delhi, the Vidhan Shodh in Bangalore, and the Assembly Building in Mumbai. They all are examples of modern monument. Akshardham Temple in Delhi, Vidhan Shodh in Bangalore, and the Assembly Building in Mumbai. Here we have finished with languages, dresses, dances, music, and monuments. Here is given one checkpoint related to them. Circle the correct words. This you have to do in your book also. Hindi, Telugu is the official language of India. Yes, Hindi. Hindi and English are the official languages of India. So here we will take Hindi. Women and men wear turbans. Men. Turbans are worn by men. Dances performed on festivals are called classical or folk dances. Means during festivals we perform folk dances. Classical music is of 2 or 3 types. There are 2 types of classical music, Hindustani and Carnatic. The Stoop of Sanchi was built by Emperor Ashok or Akbar. Yes, Ashok. The Stoop of Sanchi is built by Emperor Ashok. So here we have finished with this checkpoint. During next class we will continue this chapter. From here the paintings.